Hello everyone, today I'm going to speak about my goal in life. My goal in life is to become a successful fashion designer. Fashion is not just about clothes, it's about creativity, fashion and a culture. So my dream destination is I'm going to Italy for studying fashion designing. Italian fashion is known for its own elegance, innovation and culture. Studying in Italy will give me the opportunities to learn from the best fashion designers in the world. So I know these dreams required confidence, hard work, but I believe that with hard work, I can achieve this goal. So I just want to say one thing. If you, no matter what, never give up on your dreams. If you can imagine it, you can achieve it. So yeah, that's all I want to say. Thank you very much. Thank you everyone for listening. Once again, thank you very much.